Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today, your maths teacher, Aarti Kalra, is going to teach you chapter number 4 Factors and Multiples. As you know, you have already done in your class 4th also that you have already read about factors, multiples, and prime composite numbers. So first of all, what we will do, we will recall what we have already done. The factors of a number are those which divide the number without leaving any remainder. Okay, a number is a multiple of another number when it is exactly divisible by the other number. For example, we know that 2 into 3 is 6 since 6 divided by 2 is 3 or and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 and 3 divide 6 without leaving a remainder. Therefore 2 and 3 are the factor of 6 like this. So 6 is a multiple of both. 6 comes in the table of 2 also and 3 also. Facts about factors and multiples that we are going to learn. 1 is a factor of every number. We always start our table with 6 ones are 6, 7 ones are 7. Hana? So 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself because every table, every number is coming in its table, itself table. The factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. It can be less than the number or can be equal. Every number other than 1 has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. Number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. Multiple of any given numbers are unlimited. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are those which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Number which have more than two factors are called composite number. Composite number, what are composite number? For examples, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 to 20. Composite number between 1 and 20. Note that 1 is neither composite nor prime. Okay, so here we are going to do recall exercises. In that 5 into 7 is 35. So 5 into 7, 5 and 7 are 5 and 7 are factors. Okay, they are called factors. Just write here factors. Okay, after that 11 into 8 is 88. It means 11 8s are 88. So 88 is the multiple. It comes in the table of 8 and 11 both. So it is called multiple. Now check whether 12 is the factor of 108. Factor means that comes in the way of table like factor and multiple. So we have to do like this. We have to check the table of 12, then only we are able to get its answer. So in that case we have to make it sure that it is coming in this table. So 12, in the table of 12, 108 comes. It is going to be divided properly. Yes, it is divided by 12 properly. So it is a factor. Yes. Now 847 is the multiple of 7. Yes, it can be multiple. It is multiple of 7 because it can be cut with the table of 7. Okay. Now 238 and this 15. This is not the factors. We are going to cross it. This cross sign here, this cross sign here. Why? Because it doesn't come in the table of 15. It doesn't come in the table of 18. Now write the factors of the following numbers. You have to write the factors of these numbers. For that, I'm going to share the board. So I'm sharing the one board with you. And here, what is the number? The number was 46. So 46 factor is, what are the number? They are 2. It can be cut with 2 and 23 full. Okay, this is the factor. Now, what is the factor of 35? It is 85. 85. So, it can be cut with 5. And what is the another factor? That is 17. 17 fives are 85. Yes, this is these are two factors only. But in this case, 124 case, 2, comma, 31, comma, 62. And the number itself is the factor. So it is the factors. After that, 280. 280 is the number. We have to take out the factors of these numbers. So answer will come 2 also. Okay. 4 also. 5 also. 7. Then 10 also. Then 14 also. Okay. 14 and so on. We can add it on. Okay. Because here are 0 in the place of ones. Got it? Now we talk about 75. What is the factor of 75? That is 3. Okay. Then we can say 5. Then 25. Okay. Got the point? Yes. Next. What is next? Here, write the 6th and ninth multiple of the following number. So you have to know that. Here I am going to tell you. 14 into 6. You have to know. You should know 14 into 6 is 84. And 14 into 9 is 126. Likewise, you have to write all the numbers like this. 17 into 6 is 102. And 17 into 9 is 153. This is the number. 24. 24 6 are 144. After that, 24 into 9 is 216. 30. You just make the table of 3. 3 6 are 18. Put 0 behind. 3 9s are 27 and 1 0 behind like this. After that, 33 into 33, you should know the table of 3. Hai. So when you make a table, you have to multiply with 33 into 6 is 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18 are 198. So answer will be 198. And after that, 33. Again, you should know the multiple. If you want to know the multiple, you have to multiply. Just multiply 33 into 9. You will get 297. This will be the answer. Okay, got it? Okay, Mama. Yes, now we are going to write the all prime numbers between 1 and 50. Prime numbers are numbers that comes in their table only, the number itself, and has 1 as a factors. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. We have to keep it till 50. Then 29. Then 31. Then 37. 37. Make the font small so that all the digits will come properly. But it is too small, so I'm making it something big. 18. This is fine. Okay, 37, comma, 41, comma, 43, comma, 47. So these are the numbers that are prime numbers till 50. So we have done this exercise. This is recall exercise that we have done already. So here, according to factors and multiples, we are going to start our exercise number 4.1. In that, we are going to check the divisibility. Okay. So for that, you know now, you have done also before about the divisibility with 2. If 0 is there, it is divisible. 0 is there, it is divisible. 0 is there, it is divisible. 5 is there, it's not divisible. 5 is there, it's not divisible. 6 is there, it is divisible. So here it comes in two places, it will come cross. Okay. Now about what about 3? 3 is all about when the number is, both the numbers are coming in that. Like if 0 is there, but it is divisible, we will check its divisibility. So it can be, yes, here it is divisible because 6 is there only. Here it is divisible. But where 5 is there, 5 is there, and 5 is there, here it is not divisible. Cross, cross, and cross like this. Now here it is 5. When 0 is coming, it means it is divisible. When 0 is coming, divisible. 0 is coming, divisible. 5 is coming, divisible. 5 is coming, divisible. But when 6 is coming, it is not divisible by 5. Now, about 9. Here it is not divisible. 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 But here it can be divisible properly without any remainder. Now what about 10? When 0 is there, it is divisible. Okay. When 0 is there, divisible. 0 is there, divisible. But when it is 5, so it is not divisible. In that 11 case, only 1 is divisible. We can check by dividing it, है by taking out its factors also. Then also we are going to make it confirm but about the divisibility test. Okay. So likewise, we have done this one point and then we are going to proceed further for point number 2. So students, our second point is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8 or both? The number that are divisible by 4. So we will write here 3, 4, 1, 5, 6. 34,156 is divisible by 4 but not by 8. So 4, yes, 4 but not 8. But not 8. We just cross it, huh? It is not divisible by 8. It is divisible by 4. Okay. After that, 82083 is both is the number that is not divisible by 4 and not divisible by 8 also. 40432 is the number that is divisible by 4 also. 8 also means it is the number that is B. We will write here B. After that, 10568 is the number that is divisible by both. So we will write here both. B. B for both. Okay. Now we will check the divisibility by 6. In that 6 divisibility, we will check if it is both the numbers are divisible by 2 and 3 both. So if 3 and 3, 6, 3 and 3, 336 is divisible by 6, yes, it is divisible by 6. So we will write yes. 3312 is also divisible by 6. 432 is also divisible by 6. But this number is not divisible by 6. Okay, got it? Next is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 7? So for 7, we will write like this: 6251. There are the certain rules to be followed to check the divisibility by the number itself. So in this case, we have to follow the certain rules. In that, 6251 is totally divisible by 7. 8036 is also divisible by 7. And 39886 is also divisible by 7. But this 32556 is not divisible by 7. Like this. Now check the divisibility of the following numbers by 11. 11 is the odd number and we make it like this. We categorize E. This first number is E. This second number is odd. Categorize it, है ना? But it is not odd. It is not about odd and even. We have to add even and odd numbers. Then if the number is coming equal, means 0. When we minus it, it is coming 0. So it is divisible by 11. So this number, that is 75691, is like 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 13 and then 1. 13 plus 1 is 14. And if we check that 9 plus 5 is also 14, it means it is 14 minus 14 is, it is divisible. Likewise, we will do it, but this will not divisible by 11. This will not divisible by 11, and this is also not divisible by 11. Likewise, we have completed our 4.1 exercise. So students, let's start our practice session 4.2. In that, prime numbers and composite numbers are given. Write P for prime and C for composite number. 107 is not divisible by any number by itself, and one number is its factors. So it is 107 is P for prime, 31 is also P, 73 is also P, 12, but 12 can be divided. It has many factors. So it is composite. 46 is also composite and 7 is prime number. Okay. Yes, students, co-prime numbers are the numbers that are having one factor only and they don't have their difference. Like 81 and 256 are co-prime numbers. 46 and 87 are co-prime numbers and 19 and 21 is also co-prime number, but 7 and 6 are not co-prime number like this. Okay, here we are I'm going to tell you twin prime numbers. Prime numbers are the same, but they are twins in number, like 31, 37. Okay, 41, 43. Then 47. They are called twin prime numbers. Okay. After that, find the prime factorization of the following number by factor tree method that is going to be shared on the whiteboard. So when we are talking about the tree that is of 78, 90 and 48, 72 and 144. We are going to do in our whiteboard only. So here is the tree factorization. In that we will write first of all in a circle 78. Then we will do division with 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. Answer will come 39. And then we see that it can become in the table of 3 only. So 3 is going to be 3 is 39 is going to be divided by 3 and answer will come 13. So what are the factors of 78 is 2, 3 and 13 are the factors of 78. Okay, got it? Look now from this side you are also going to do all the sum likewise. Okay, here the tree composite number prime numbers are also given. So you will do like that only, and this will come as a SCF when you will do in a long method, that is always called division method also. So in that case you have done your fourth point also. Now use division method, find the prime factorization of the following. So we will do 87 is the number. So 1 I will do for you and all the digits prime factorization you will do. So here I am writing 87. This is called division method also. This is called long method also. But you will do it according to the question asked. Here it is. We will write 87. Okay. 87 can be divided by 3. So here 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 9, 29. So what are the prime factorization? That are the factors of 87 are 1. The number 1 is always comes when the numbers are odd and it cannot be divided by any number. So 1, 3 and 29 are the numbers that are the prime factorization of 87. Likewise, you have to do all the sums. Now students come to fill in the blanks. Smallest number, smallest composite number. Composite number that can be divided it is composite and it is the smallest number of all. So it is 4. Right here 4 is the only even prime number. You know what is even and what is prime. That is 2. Each prime number has exactly how many factors they have? 2. So you just write it in spelling 2. Okay, is neither prime nor composite, that is only one number. And the are the prime numbers between 50 and 60. There are 3 numbers that are prime numbers between 50 and 60, that are 53, then 57, then 59. They are not able to divided by any number, then the one itself and the number itself only. So you got it, what is about the factors and the multiples also. So here students, we have come to our exercise number 4.3. In that we are going to do HCF, highest common factors. Highest common factors are those that comes in that are the factors of that number, that 30 and 75. But we have to list it out the factors. After that we are going to take out the common factors. For this we are going to share the whiteboard. So, one question I will do and all the question you are going to do. First is 30 and 75. 30 and 75. Okay, so just take out the factors. It is 1. Every number has a factor 1. Then 2 also. Then 3 also. Okay, then 5 also. Then 6 also. Okay, 7, no, 8, no, 10, yes, 10. Till 30 we have to see, na? So it cannot come in 12 table, 11 table, 13, 14, but it comes in 15. Okay, got it, with a comma. And then when it will come, the number itself, 30. This is the factors. Now we come to 75. It is 1. Okay. And then 3 can also come, but 2 cannot come. 3. Then 5. Okay, beta. That is 5. And then it will come. It will come 25. But we want here common factors, that is least to 30. Na? So the main common factors are common. Common are 1, 3 and then 5. These are the common factor of these digits 30 and 75. Okay. After that, find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization. First we have done listing their factors. Now we will do prime factorization method, that is going to share again with the whiteboard only. So here I have shared the whiteboard. In that 72 prime factorization is also there and 126 prime factorization is also there. So when we do that, we will match that how they are same. 2 is same, 3 is same and again 3 is same. So it means 18 is the HCF, highest common factor. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, H in capital, C is capital, HCF, like this. So 18 it can divide 72 and 126 both. Now we will do third point, that is find the HCF of the following numbers by long division method. So I am going to tell you what is long division method in my whiteboard. Okay, in that what you have to do is you have to make the small number a divisor and the big number a dividend. Likewise, you have to do the division part. So in division method, what we do is we will do division with 32. 32 will be the divisor and the big number will be the dividend. And then we will divide it. 32 into 2 is 32 twos are 64. 68 minus 64 is 4. Then again that divisor is going to be dividend. Then we are going to divide it again. 4 8s are 32. It comes without any remainder. So 4 is the HCF. What is the HCF? 4 is the HCF of both the number. Likewise, you are supposed to do each and every number. Okay, HCF is 4 of 32 and 68. It means that it is divisible. 68 is divisible by 4. 32 is also divisible by 4. Likewise. Now, the fourth point is find the HCF of the following number. Explain what is common in all the answers. It is like this is the multiple. 28 is the multiple of 7 and 28 is the factor of 7 is the factor now. So this is like 7 fours are, it is going full without any remainder. 15 fours are 60, 14 fives are 17, 8 fives are 40. So the common is that is they are both have the relation of factors and multiples too. So here we have completed our exercise 4.3. Now we will do our exercise number 4.4. So students, we have come to our exercise number 4.4. In that we are going to do least common multiple. Means two digits are given. We have to take out the multiples of both the numbers. Means multiple means like tables. We have to write the table of 8 and 12. Then we will find the common multiples. So for this we are going to share our board. Likewise. Okay. So here we will write table of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 80. On the other hand, we are going to write the table of 12 because it is asked about the LCM. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. These are the tables, and we will find out the number that are matched. So what are matching? 24 is matched. Okay, 48 is matched. Here one digit is less. So it is 72 is less. So 72. 8 8 is 7, 8 8 is 64 and 8 9 is 72. So 72 is going to be matched with this number. So what are the common LCM that we are getting is 24 also. Then 24 will be the LCM. Okay. Why? Because it is the number that comes in the table of 8 and 24, and it is the least common multiple. So 24 will be the answer. LCM. Okay, got it? Likewise, you are supposed to do all the sums, all the things in your copy for better improvement in your maths. So likewise, we are going to go for LCM of 12 and 30 by prime factorization. It will be done like this. We will see that how it is coming in the table of 2. 12 is coming the table of 2. 2, 6 are 12. Then again 2, 6, 3 are 6. And 3 is going to be cut by 3 only. So it is divisible by like this. After that 30, when we write down all together, our LCM will come 60. Okay, in the table of 12 also, but it should be least means the smallest one. So it is the smallest one. We get it. Likewise, you are supposed to do all the sums. Now we will do find the LCM of the following number by division method. Division method is the method in that we are going to write the sum together. So here I'm sharing 16 and 28. So when we do LCM 16 and 28, we will write all together. And hence this is 8 in the place of 1s and 6 at the place of 1. So we will write like this. 2 8s are 16. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Then again it is divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8. And then 2 7s are 14. Now again 2, but 7 cannot be divided by any number. So here 2, then 2, then this is 7. Okay. So it means it is not divisible by any number because it is the prime number. So we have to do like this. Okay. For this we have to do the multiplication. When we multiply all the numbers that are 7, 2, 2 into 2 into 2, the answer will come 112. This is the LCM of both the numbers. LCM of 16 and 16 and 28. Okay. R, this is the number is 112. Okay. So in that exercise 4.4, the product of two numbers, 4 point is the product of two number is 756 and the HCF is 6. What is their LCM? So you should know the rule, and that I have already written that HCF into LCM, the product of two numbers. Okay, it means you have to multiply. And we know 756 is the product of two numbers, and it is going to be divided. Why? Because it is multiplied, so we know only one number, that is HCF. We know only HCF. If we want to find out the LCM, we have to divide. Then when we divide, we will get our answer within seconds. 126 will be the answer of this question, like this. Okay, got my point? Now second number is, the fifth point is, the HCF of two number is 15. It is just like opposite of that number, and their LCM is 315. If one of the number is 45, find the other. So for this again we have to share the whiteboard also. So here fifth point is, we know HCF, we know LCM also. When we multiply the number, and we know the number also. 45 is the number. So what will be the next number? The second number will be when we divide it by the product. So 4725 is going to be divided by 45. So the other number is 105. 105 is other number. Okay. So here we have done our exercise fully with 4.4 with the LCM and SCF concept, and the mixed sums also we have done properly. Now we will do 4.5 exercise in a proper way. 4.5 exercise. In that we are going to do greatest and smallest number. Greatest is about HCF and smallest is all about LCM. So find the greatest number that will be divided. Divide each of 90, 108 and 126 without leaving a remainder. Means it is totally divisible by 18. Now, what is the greatest number that is divided by n number? That will be 517 and 815, leaving the remainder 1. Leaving the remainder 1 means you have to do minus 1 from 517 and minus 2 from 815. Then if when we divide it, when we get the HCF, we will get the HCF 4. Okay. Now find the smallest number. Smallest number means LCM. Whenever it is asked smallest, you have to take out the LCM. When it is asked about greatest, greatest means HCF. Okay. So 6, 8, 12, 15 and 20 leaves the same remainder 5. So we have to take out, we have to make the LCM list and prime factorization of that, then we are able to do the LCM. Okay, so here we are going to know about the division method also. With that we are going to take out the LCM, and when we take out the LCM we get 120, but we have to plus 5. Why plus 5? Because it is saying it is going to be remainder. This is the remainder part, that 5. So answer will be 125. So this will be the answer of this question. Now, fourth point is, Shreya has 12 sandwiches and 15 cookies. Wow. She wants to pack them to make identical refreshment boxes. What is the greatest number of boxes that she can pack? So, greatest means HCF. You have to take out HCF of that number. Okay. So, answer will come 60. Okay. 12 sandwiches and 15 cookies. Okay, and then it is coming 60 as the LCM, and then if we want to take out HCF, it will be 3 4s are 12, no, 3 5s are 15, yes, it will come 3. So HCF will be 3. The greatest box that she can pack is 3 numbers in one box she can pack. Now, three children are walking their steps, measure 36, 72, and 90 centimeter. If they take a step from a line AB, their step will fall together again, a line CD. What is the distance between AB and CD? You have to take out the distance between AB and CD. Okay. After that, 6 point is two tank contain 250 milliliters and 425 liter of water respectively. What will be the maximum capacity of that? Exactly measure water in the two tank. So you have to take out the maximum number means HCF that you have to take out. Okay. Now, yes, we have come to an end of our fifth chapter. In that, fourth chapter is done. 4.5 is also done. And now we will do chapter checkup. In that, first two multiples are 7 into 1 and 7 to the 14. So this is that. Sixth multiple means 8 6 are 48. 21 and 18 comes in the table of 3. So it is the factor. It is the highest factor. LCM is multiple 12 and 16. In the table of 12 and 16, what is common? That is 48. The number of 1326 is divisible by 2 also, 3 also. It is 2 also, 3 also, 6 also. It means all of these are the numbers that are divisible by all the. Now, what will be the ninth multiple? Ninth multiple means you have to multiply. 7 nines are, you should know 7 nines are 63. Okay. 9 nines are 81. Okay. Then you have to multiply 11 nines are 99. It is very, very easy. 11 nines are 99. Then 13 nines are, you know the table of 13 also, 117. Okay. Now 16 nines are, you should know the table of 16 also. The answer will come 144. Okay, good. Now you have to answer in yes or no. I'm ticking here, you just check it. It is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. 2444 is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 3. No, it is not divisible by 3. It will come no. Here it will come no. Why? Because it is not divisible by 3. And D is 9. 9 from 9 it is divisible by yes. So this is like that only. Here it will come yes. Yes means I'm ticking here on yes. This is not the way. Okay. Now find the HCF of the following number by long division method that I have already told you, taught you properly, and you are going to do that. Now find the LCM also with the prime factorization you will do. Now solve the following. Find the least number of soldiers that can be arranged in 24, 36 and 48 in each row. Rows are given, and in that how many soldiers are there. So it is when we talk about least number, it is LCM. LCM of three numbers are 144. After that, what is this? Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is selling in 3 days. What is the biggest price of chocolate? That will be 150 rupees. Got it? Now we have done our 4.5 all the exercises and we have done the practice session also. Hope you will love to do that. Factors and multiples, they are very important part of our maths. So do it in your fair copy with proper work. Thank you. Have a nice day.